Storm Team 29 forecast.
Another hot August day. There's a time-lapse view from our Charlottesville camera. In the last couple of frames, you'll notice a lot more high clouds working in, kind of milking out the blue sky white, and that's because those are blow-off clouds from approaching thunderstorms well to our north and west. 93 today, currently 90, a dew point of nearly 70. Feels like it's in the mid-90s at this hour. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 88 there in Weir's Cave, 90 the afternoon high, but it still feels like it's in the low 90s. Over the last several hours, we've been quiet. There's a view from NBC 29's exclusive dual-pole triple Doppler radar, but we look off to the north and west, and here are the thunderstorms, and it's a line that is quickly moving off to the southeast at about 30 to 40 miles per hour. Again, there's some warnings as you get southeast of Winchester out toward Front Royal, and then that line goes back through the Potomac Highlands back into portions of West Virginia, and we'll continue to monitor this as this whole line drops off to the southeast this evening, and hence that's why we do have a severe thunderstorm watch that does blanket the region until 11 o'clock as we have to move this line off to our south and east. I'll show you the modeling on Futurecast in just a moment, but there could be some breakup in the line or some reorganization as it crosses the higher terrain of the Appalachians. So again, the severe thunderstorm watch till 11. The main concern is damaging straight line winds. Again, we could see these storms moving pretty quickly, so that should preclude the flooding threat and a small chance of an isolated tornado or hail. It's mainly the straight line wind damage. Now, after the storms depart, that'll be before midnight. We'll see temperatures overnight in the upper 60s to around 70. And a hot day tomorrow, upper 80s, low 90s. Chance of storms a little lower, but any that do develop could be isolated severe. Thursday looks like a dry day, should be the hottest day of the week. Temperatures in the low and mid 90s. And then Friday, it's mainly later Friday evening, overnight into Saturday. We'll watch the potential of moisture in association with what is now Hurricane Laura. We have a front dropping down from the Great Lakes, but it's not going to move through our region. It's just going to tease us, but it's triggering those showers and thunderstorms that are out there this evening. This is Laura. Laura is a Category 1 hurricane, is going to continue to strengthen as it remains over the warm water of the Gulf. There's no winds to interrupt its path, and again, as it goes into tomorrow, it's Category 2, but making landfall at Beaumont, Port Arthur area of Texas and Louisiana as a Cat 3, 115 miles an hour, and then all that moisture and wind kind of fans out through portions of the Mississippi, Tennessee River Valley. As it crosses the Appalachians, that'll be Saturday for us. We could have a severe potential because we're on the east side of that center of circulation. That'll be something to watch, and then it'll move quickly out to the ocean, Atlantic Ocean, on Sunday. So here's the modeling for Futurecast this evening with this line. It breaks it up a little bit, but there's still storms. And again, the main threat, some damaging winds, and then it moves off to the south and east after midnight. Temperatures in the morning will start in the upper 60s to around 70. Hot day tomorrow, but the chance of rain's fairly low, but again, something isolated could develop. Same on Thursday. Most of us will top out in the low and mid 90s. Should be the hottest day of the week. So some scattered thunderstorms here this evening. The main threat, wind damage potential. Severe thunderstorm watch until 11. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Heat wave conditions continue through the end of the week. We'll watch the tropical moisture in association with what is now Hurricane Laura, especially as we move into Saturday.